Okay, so I'm about to remove my Colorstreet polish off of my nails. And so I have some cotton balls, I have some nail polish remover, and I have these clip things that I will go on ahead and put the cotton balls in. So I'm going to soak the pad and put it in the things, you know, these nail holder, polish holders, so that I can soak in them for a couple of minutes. And so I'm gonna fill them up first. Let these soak for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I am going to come back on and let you know how I remove it. So there you go. I'm gonna let that soak for about 2 minutes. It's just nail polish remover since I had glitter on, and I'll come back and wipe it off. I took off most of the nail polish. It wasn't too hard, it's just nail polish remover. And once I removed the cotton, the regular nail polish, the solid nail polish was off, and but I just had to remove the glitter. But ain't nothing a little soap and water can't handle. So it was easy to come off with the nail polish remover for the most part. It's just that the glitter takes a little bit of work to get off. But you know, soaked it for 2 minutes in the nail polish remover with the little tip things. Ooh. With these things, put it on. I won't put it so far up next time for it to get on the edge on my skin, but I'm gonna go wash my hands and do the other set and to get this off, and then I'll be back to just conclude this video. All right. Okay, so a bit difficult to come off with the nails, so I just rub it off. And again, this is regular nail polish remover, so glitter polish has just always been something that's a little bit difficult to come off. That's why some people don't like it. I love it, so I'll put in the time to take it off. This glitter is a little bit, you know, just a little bit extra to work off because it's glitter, and so it does stay on there, but yeah, I do have to put a little bit of work in there to keep it off. Okay. Oh, my nails are dirty. Okay. There it is. The nail polish is coming off. Polish. Just take it and kind of rub it off. The nail polish remover. Okay. It sits on there a couple extra minutes. It seems like it's easier to come off, so maybe I'll just try letting it sit on there a little bit longer next time so that I can just wipe it off, because I let it stay in the Okay, so it wasn't too bad to get off, to wipe off. Just getting the excess glitter that's just on the nails. It's glitter. So it's a lot of good from the cotton balls. Well, I'm about to go wash my hands and then start just making sure I have a nice, I guess, prep for my next set. All right, see you later.